Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. All of the AI influencer videos you're seeing on screen right now were created using completely free AI tools. No paid subscriptions, no hidden upgrades. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact tools and workflow you can use to create realistic AI influencer videos without spending any money. If you've been looking out on this tutorial, especially a free version, this video is for you. Now, if you've been following my content for a while, you'll know that I've already covered AI influencer creation in detail, but in that video, I use paid tools to get the highest possible quality, and this time, the goal is different. We're focusing entirely on free tools while keeping the workflow as close as possible to the premium version. The overall process stayed the same. We still need an AI influencer image, a reference video, and a tool that can swap the character realistically. The only difference is that instead of paid platforms, we're using free alternatives that anyone can access. So for this example, I'm even using the same AI influencer as before, just generated and processed using free tools only. To do this, we're going to use Marina to access Nano Banana Pro for free. So let's start with the reference video. Head over to pinterest.com. Now, Pinterest is great because it has a huge collection of clean, static influencer style videos. You can also use TikTok, Instagram, or any social platform you like. The platform doesn't really matter, the key is choosing the right kind of video. Now, when you're browsing, look for videos that are simple and clean. Minimal movement, stable camera angles, and no extreme lighting changes. So in my case, I selected a very basic video where the person isn't doing anything complex. This makes the process much easier and improves the final result. So once you find a video you like, just download it and we're going to use it as a reference. Here's a very important step that most people get wrong. Open the video and go to the very first frame. So take a screenshot of that exact frame. Don't take a screenshot from the middle of the video. Don't choose a random pose. The first frame is critical because it sets the base camera angle and perspective for everything that follows. After you've taken the screenshot, head over to Marina. Now inside Marina, go to the model section and select direct chat at the top. From there, make sure you switch to the image model. And in the drop-down menu, you'll see multiple models available. So choose Gemini 3 Pro, which is essentially Nano Banana Pro. We're only using this model for the entire process. Now upload two images. So first, your AI influencer base image. And the second one is the screenshot you took from the first frame of the reference video. Once both images are uploaded, you'll type a very simple but powerful prompt. So I have here, image 1 is posing like image 2, same camera angle. And that's it. Mentioning the camera angle is extremely important. This tells the model to match not just the pose, but also the perspective of the original video. Once you've entered the prompt, click Generate. So wait for a few moments, and after that, you'll get an output image. In most cases, the result looks very clean and accurate. The influencer matches the pose, the angle feels right, and the image is now ready to be used for video generation. Next comes the most important part, turning that image into a realistic video. For this step, go to one.video. Inside the platform, select Avatar, then choose Character Swap from the drop-down menu. So here's what you need to upload: the original reference video you downloaded and the influencer image you just generated in Marina. And once both are uploaded, go to the settings and make sure you select the Pro model, not the standard one. Even though it says Pro, this still works with 0 credits. And yes, this part is completely free. Now, a quick heads up, because you're using the free version, you'll most likely be placed in a longer queue, and this means generation can take some time. You do get limited daily credits, but they're usually not enough for frequent queues, so patience is part of the free workflow, right? And once the generation finishes, you'll get your final AI influencer video. Honestly, the result is pretty impressive for a free method. So, is it perfect? No, you may notice small defects, minor facial inconsistencies, or subtle movement issues. So, if you want the complete free way to create realistic AI influencer videos, this method works. It's usable, repeatable, and beginner friendly. You can apply the same workflow to multiple videos, different influencers, and different platforms. Now that you know how to make AI influencer videos for free, here's the next step: turning those videos into something that makes money long term. One powerful way to do that is by building an online community around your content, one that attracts people who want more. That's where Cohorsha comes in. It's an AI powered platform that helps you build and grow a community with automated engagement. AI members that post, comment, and keep your group lively while you focus on content. You can monetize that community with paid memberships, exclusive posts, events, and more. So you're not just posting AI videos, you're creating a profit center around them. I'll link Horsha in the description if you want to explore it. If you enjoyed it and want more tutorial like this, make sure to subscribe. There's a lot more coming. See you in the next one. Introducing Cohorsha, new AI-powered community builder. Build your communities with Cohorsha and take advantage of AI automation to grow your community and engage your members without working manually all day. Setting up and running your community is very easy with Cohorsha. Works for any niche. It's fully featured, SEO and traffic friendly, virtual AI members, fully monetizable, and hands-free growth. Corsha creates virtually real AI members. AI members that auto-create new posts. AI members that engage and support real members. AI members that comment on posts. Your community is also a progressive app. Member chat makes your tribe closer. Online and offline events. Polls and surveys. SEO friendly. Team access and management features. Highlighted posts. Reach analytics. Moderate with AI or human beings. You can customize messages, no hosting required, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Cohorsha now. Just go to getcohorsha.in.